What is up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day or great night, depending on where you are. But talk about Jasmy today. Going to talk about some price, some volume that has really picked up in the Jasmy token. We've been talking about Jasmy here for a long time, right? Back when it was consolidating at 2033, 2035, we really started to hone in on Jasmine as being one of these cryptocurrencies that could really, really make a strong move to the upside, right? We've been covering it on live streams, we've been covering it in videos, and Jasmine started to make that move, right? Started to make that initial move up to about a penny, 1.16 actually, a penny and penny six, right? So it's definitely started to make a strong move to the upside. Now, what's driving this strong move to the upside? Well, we know from the development team that there's going to be a lockup in the first quarter of the financial year in the United States, which is the fourth quarter of the financial year where they're at, right? We know that they're going to lock up some of these tokens, right? We know also that there's going to be a layer two blockchain that's coming out on Jasmy called Jasmy Chain, right? So there's a lot of development. There's a lot of stuff that's getting ready to kick off with Jasmy here in 2024, right? So what's happening is people are really starting to understand what Jasmy's doing and the direction that Jasmy's going and the fact that Jasmy is really one of these cryptocurrencies that are really moving up. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the chart here in a minute. We're going to look at the volume, we're going to look at the rise up. But it's important to understand and put into context that Jasmy was a very sought after cryptocurrency at the tail end of the last bull run, right? So Jasmy hasn't even really been through a full cycle of a bull run, right? It kind of launched at the tail end of the last bull and it's kind of hovered ever since, right? Obviously, they dropped a bunch of supply into the circulating supply, which is a great move, right? Because the supply, if you drop most of the supply into the circulating supply, you don't have that dilution, right? I mean, you don't have that dilution later. It takes some fear out of the traders and things like that. So it's a good move by Jasmy to do that. See, it's a great move to lock some of that supply away too. And we don't know what they're going to do with the supply when they launch the layer two either. So, there's a lot of questions that are going around about the supply, right? As well as there should be. But right now, the supply is okay. The supply is good and for what they're trying to do, and the price is really moving. So let's go ahead. Let's go over to Coin Market Cap. Let's take a look and see what's going on, right? So what we have here is you got the Jasmy chart. I have it pulled out on the month, right? I think it's important to pull it back a little bit to see kind of where we were to where we are, right? So here's that right here is that 3335 level we were talking about, right? And we've kind of had a nice little run up in the fives, touch the sixes, consolidation period, right? During this consolidation period, we knew and we kept saying, that Jasmine was primed to take off. It was ready for that next leg up, right? And this isn't by no means an I told you so video or anything like that. That's not what we're here for. We're here to make money, right? But I just kind of want to show you guys what we're looking at when it comes to Jasmine, right? So this we were calling for in the next run up right here, right around that high 5-6 level right there. High two fives, 2.6, 206, 205 level, right? And Jasmine took that run up, right? So right now we're sitting at 1 cent, 16117 actually. It's up 212% right now, guys. So it's made a massive run up, 212%. Not gonna go to the decimal points. Them change. Now it's went up 234% as we were talking, but it is what it is. We're gonna see this fluctuation. But this is one of these tokens, right, where when you have a massive run up like this, what is the next expectation, right? The next expectation for Jasmine is that we're going to build a new floor somewhere up there where we are now, that 1 6 level, that 1 cent 6 level, that 1 cent high 5 level, somewhere up in there. We're going to start to build a new floor. So if you think this thing's just going to continue to go on a moonshot, it's really not. We have to build that new floor. We have to consolidate somewhere before we take that next run to the upside, right? So what's driving the price action, guys? The trading volume. The trading volume right now is up 69% as 59% as a recording of this video right now on CoinMarketCap. That's taking into account all of the exchanges, the dexes, all of that stuff, right? So the trading volume really is up, 50 between 59 and 63% is kind of where it's been hovering on a 24-hour trading volume. But what's more important is you're looking at a 1.369 billion dollar trading volume, right? So there's over $1 billion being traded in Jasmy right now between all the exchanges and the dexes. And that's a huge amount of trading volume, guys. So there's a lot of money flowing through Jasmy right now. And even when you look at the market cap, right? The market cap is up about 38.6% right now for on a 24-hour, right? So the market cap is continuing to rise, right? It's continuing to go up with the volume and the price. It makes sense that the market cap continues to go up. But we've got to be excited about where Jasmy is, right? We have to be excited about the volume that's coming through the exchange, the token right now. We got to be excited about that. That should excite you because that means that there's going to be some good price action if we can keep this volume up. But I want to caution everybody to say, if this dips a little bit and creates a new floor, that's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. It really is something that's to be expected. And it's something that, you should prepare yourself for, right? And if you're not in Jasmy yet, then when this thing starts to consolidate and trade sideways for a little while, that may be your entry point in, right? So understand how these cryptocurrency trading works. Understand how any trading works, right? Whether it's crypto, forex, stock exchange, this is how it works, right? Have these massive run ups. You have some consolidation. Build a new floor, right? Build that new floor. So that's a little overview of where Jasmy is, why, what Jasmy's been doing over the last couple of days. It's been a couple of days since I brought you guys a video. I've been really, really, busy in real life stuff, but it's been, a couple of days since I brought you guys a Jasmy video. But, Jasmy's doing really great and it's really, really starting to move. People are really starting to take notice of what Jasmy's got going on and what they have coming up, and starting to invest in solid cryptocurrency projects like Jasmy, right? So this is kind of Jasmy's, coming out party, as I would say, for this pre-bull market run, right? That some of these tokens are in. And the whole market was down today. If you can consider 50,000 Bitcoin down, I don't really consider that a down market, but it was in the red. But Jasmy was only one of the only tokens that were in the green and moving with positive price action, guys. So, we've got to celebrate that and understand that Jasmy's starting to take hold, right? As people are really starting to understand what Jasmy's doing. So, if you got in early, if you got in on the dips, man, congratulations. You're up good, you're making money. But understand, like, this is just the beginning for Jasmy, right? In my opinion, it's just the beginning for Jasmy. There's so much more to come in 2024 and the beginning of 2025 that Jasmy's just starting its move back up to where it was, right? So with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here for the night or the day, wherever you're at. But when it comes to Jasmy, just understand that we're gonna have some consolidation, but there's big things going on with Jasmy right now, and positive price action and big developments that are coming. So just stay 10 toes down, man. And if you believe in Jasmy, like I believe in Jasmy, you know what's coming and you know what to do, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do, buy, sell, trade. I'm not here to tell you any of that. But if I believe in Jasmy, it's a long-term hold for me, something that I'm holding long term. So if it consolidates, it's fine with me. I'm waiting for that next run up. And that's what's gonna happen here within the next couple of days. But no need to be alarmed, guys. This is pure um, this is purely how it's supposed to go in trading, and we're going to celebrate the wins. And this is a win so far with Jasmy, and really appreciate it. You guys have a great night or a great day, depending on where you are. Go ahead, smash that like button, smash that share button. If you like what you guys hear, go ahead and smash that sub button as well. Keep bringing you guys Jasmy content, a bunch of other content that's going on out here too. If you want to buy Jasmy, I'll leave a link down below to UnoDex platform that I use to buy all my ERC20 tokens. Definitely the fastest ERC20 platform on the market right now when it comes to getting in and out. And because it runs on its own Ethereum node, full node, they're able to optimize your gas fees as well. So go ahead and give it a shot if you would like. But with that, guys, I'm out of here. And to the next one. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Smash the like, smash the share, smash the subscribe button. I appreciate it and it helps out the channel. I'm out.